Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be sharing with you the 10 ways to use the Louis Vuitton key pouch or key clay. So first we will do the unboxing. As you can see, the paper bag is a little bit different than the usual because, as you know, all the luxury brands change their paper bags on holiday, and this was bought on the Christmas season of 2019. As always, we have the beautiful orange box with the royal blue ribbon with the Louis Vuitton stamp on it. All the items of Louis Vuitton always comes with this beautiful dust bag. Here we have the Louis Vuitton key pouch or key clay. I got it in the damier bean. I was planning to get the monogram, but it was been sold out. We have 3 different designs. We have the damier bean, the monogram, and the damier azure. Key pouch is a simple design elevated with refined details such as an LV engraved zip and grained leather lining. It is a playful yet practical accessory. It can be hooked onto the D-ring inside most LV bags or used as a bag or belt charm. The dimensions are 0.47 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, and 0.4 inches in width. 10 ways to use the LV clay or key pouch. This video is going to show you how versatile it is and how to pack it beautifully. First, using it as a key pouch. To use it as a traditional key pouch, you're going to open the ring, slip on your keys, then you just close the ring. You'll notice the key ring is attached to the inner lining so that any keys you have can fit neatly inside of the pouch. So you just zip it up and voila! Second, using it as a card holder. So this is another classic. You can use the clay as a card holder. It can fit up to 12 cards, but I'm only zipping up 4 cards. As fits beautifully, zips like butter. Third, using it as a bronzer and small brush holder. Here we have a Beauty to Go bronzer from the brand Too Faced. It smells like chocolate. And we have a small brush from Real Techniques. Fourth, using it as a hair accessories holder. So we have few hair ties in different models, some bobby pins, put everything inside, and you should have more space for more hair accessories you need. And it zips up nicely. Fifth, high heel blister plasters. This is a must if you have a new pair of shoes or just worn them that special occasion. Sixth, first aid kit holder. As for me, I just have this headache medicine and some plasters. Stay prepared for emergencies. 7th, sanitizer and perfume holder. Don't forget to sanitize your hands. It's the best way to keep yourself getting from COVID-19. 8th, lip products holder. Here we have a MAC lipstick, a lip tint, and a small lip liner from Sephora. Perfect lips check. 9th, jewelry holder. I have this pair of earrings. This is the LV Angel earrings. By the way, this was a gift from my dad way back on our Milan trip last 2019. And this is my Pandora charm bracelet. This is my favorite way to use my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I store some jewelry inside just in case we go out and I forgot to put some accessories on. And the last but not the least, 10. Using it as a wallet. You can put your coins and bills inside. Work to keep your keychain ring out when carrying some coins to avoid scratching your keychain ring unnecessarily. This is an additional way to use your LV key clay. To use it as an AirPods holder. I hope you enjoy my video and see you very soon. Bye!